Welcome to another video on my driving robot discovery based on the fischertechnik TXT controller running embedded Linux and programmed by me in Python. Last few times I have been doing without the camera because of a firmware change. I still haven't got a solution by the developer, so all I have now are two touch sensors in front, an active sonar in front, a lamp signaling if anything goes wrong or not. No, that's not true. A lamp that signals if there is going to be a special action like a turn, and a propeller to indicate whether the algorithm has stopped. Then two objects in front, placed next to each other. Why? Because the sonar seems to make a difference if the objects are not close next to each other. And yes, there should be interaction with the touch sensors as well, but the algorithm stops only, the robot stops only with driving upon reaching the touch sensors. Otherwise, it doesn't. So, the sonar is primarily used with the distance and, if present, the camera. So, should I disable the sonar? I don't like that. Anyway, let's first log into the controller, which immediately works. You can't see it, but I'll show you. And then let's make a first run. Alright, run. Whatever happens, happens. Okay. And it ends with an error in the threading with a bad file descriptor for some reason. And the last action is with camera 4 on a distance of 5 centimeters, and there has been no contact. So let's go and see for the errors on screencast. So, like I said, camera action 4, distance is 5 centimeters and no contact has been made. This is a bad file descriptor somehow. I have no idea why. Some sounds, and here you see clearly that the sonar is reporting closer distances, which is of course very good. Finally, this is what I was looking for last time as well. 9 volts, 9.5 volts. And last time it didn't pick this up. Now I still haven't got the Robo Pro. Let's see if this is still not working or does work. I'm very curious. I haven't tried another installation. Waiting. Okay, this doesn't sound good. Okay, no Robot Pro for now. Anyway, 9.5 volts. That is enough for me for now. Let's try again and see whatever it can do, because I want to see it run upon touching, but now it didn't touch. So let's try. Oh! Why does it do this? First of all, it has a coarse diversion, and next, it doesn't touch. Although I have the impression that the right side touch sensor actually got a touch, but the switch wasn't touched, and that is what it is about. Alright, next try. Alright, that was a slow one. Yeah, alright. Now what is happening here? Oh, look at that. This was running, but it was kept away. This means that Robot Pro did start after all. Am I able to make contact? To make it a difference? Okay, IP address is correct. Still error. I seem very much unable to make contact, while I can clearly make contact through this one, through the SSH. So, do I like this? Not at all. Okay. Contact 1. Oh wait, look here. Yeah, contact. Wait a second. Which one was contacted? Contact 1. Right here, contact 1. Motor stopped. I don't care. Contact 1. Contact 1. Okay, so it wanted to turn to the right. So, on that way. So I need to figure out what is happening then. Because the cloth should be able to give more friction. Alright, contact being made. Yeah, that is clearly this move. So why doesn't it? Okay, I am going to force it by just touching this one or that one and then see whatever it does. I think that's the best thing to do, because now I am not liking what I see. Okay. No, that is not what I want. What is happening? I don't get it. Contact is not being made until here, and then it says stop. Why? Let's take a look at the code. Yes, it is my own code, but now every now and then you forget what's in it. This is contact 1. Yes, correct. And then it says turn to the right. Or does it? Yep, turn to the right. So upon touching this one, it should do this. Like this. Somehow. But another thing is that I do not like this particular thing. Alright, I'm going to reconstruct this. Right, it's a modification rather than a reconstruction. So now it looks like this. Oops, be careful. Metal pin, and this has been enlarged, so this should give more stability. Question is, does it? Well, right now I have my doubts, so I should actually reinforce this as well. Oh, you can't even see what I'm doing. I should reinforce this part as well, but let's first see if this has any positive consequences at all. Let's run. That's a touch, and then that should be this run, and it doesn't. So I am still not sure if this is because this doesn't turn so well. I still have my doubts, and it ends in an exception, which is also not very good. Let me do it again. Right, interrupt. It just goes on without running, but now it ends. Did it signal any contact? I do hope so, but I don't think so. It doesn't look like it. Okay. Another chance. Yeah, okay. It tried to make a turn, but it couldn't. And did it signal any touch? Contact 2. Yeah, alright. but I'm afraid that's all it did. So I need to improve this one. Alright, I've made another modification, and it is not the reconstruction that I had wanted to do because I lack the parts, unfortunately. I wanted to do the same way I make the other driving robot, midfair. And if you see that on the drive, then you know probably what I mean. But by lack of parts, like I said, I have to do it this way. So before I press enter, let me show you exactly what I did. So smaller parts, and it is now more like a pivot, and I hope that runs a bit smoother. Let me do a little bit up. Should not mind. And don't ruin it. Alright, let's see if this makes it run better. Enter. And there we go. And that is certainly not the intention. And I see the gears moving, going forward. Alright. Okay, that did not go as I wanted. Not at all. Next attempt. Okay, stop it. This is a course change that I do not like. Okay, let me put the hind wheel exactly in line. Well, exactly, more or less exactly ish. The sensors have not been pressed. So go. No. No sensor has been pressed. Yeah. Well, obviously that does not go as desired. Let's make a run like this, not straight ahead but in a curve. And as you can see, also with a little not straightness in the cloth. Really? So it does not make contact, but why does it stop? Oh, it did make contact. yeah, it did make contact. Anyway, this leads to nothing. Why does it divert from its course? I still don't get it. I still have to order other motors, but yeah, this does not work as intended. As you can see, this is totally flexible right here. I can show you up close. Hold on. So this is not really desirable. It's the same kind of construction as with the midframe robot. The only thing is that unfortunately I could not find a part just like here. Can I show you better? I hope so. So I have one part with a flat part here, but I lack a second one. I will make a picture for Instagram so you can watch it more closely. Perhaps this is a better view. Anyway, this is not the way it is supposed to go at all. Not with driving and not with here. Where to go? How to go? Not quite sure. But lacking parts is not making it any easier. So with these well, not really nice results. I think I could better get on another time. Right, so what has happened? Two modifications at the backside, not giving what I want by lack of parts, but also going off trajectory, and even when starting from there it goes like this. Results I would like with the camera, but like I said, I can't use it right now. I'm still puzzled by the motors. Why does it go off its trajectory anyway? With the other motors of fischertechnik, they may run a different speed, but these are pulse motors, so they shouldn't. And new firmware shows that it behaves exactly the same as with the other firmware. So, not nice. Yeah. I think that's it for now. Yep. Thanks for watching. If you like it, please subscribe to my channel. Give it thumbs up. And wait for a full rebuild and reparted model. Give thumbs up, leave a suggestion or comment, always appreciated. You can also follow me on Instagram and on Twitter, and feel free to make a donation, very much appreciated if you do. And you can also become a patron and have your name mentioned. More information on my website and Twitter and Instagram and my website are all listed under this video. This is going to be continued, obviously, and for now,